Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, proudly showing you today this approved used Range Rover Evoque D200 Autobiography, finished here in stylish silicon silver metallic paintwork. Plenty to enjoy with this vehicle with key equipment highlights, including these matrix LED headlights with signature DRLs, whilst around the side you also have got these lovely 21-inch alloy wheels in diamond turn and red brake calipers. In the rear you also find stylishly designed full LED tail lights, along with decorative door and dash inserts, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. For easy access, keyless entry and start on a power operated liftgate will reveal an absolutely cavernous load area with folding rear seats, and then the front decorative door and dash inserts continue with these upgraded leather seats that offer plenty of electric adjustment. The driver can further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated as well, and offers paddle shifts for a dynamic drive, as well as the interactive driver display. The satellite navigation system is incredibly easy to use and offers the likes of built-in satellite navigation, along with Bluetooth as well as FM and DB digital radio, whilst the secondary menu will further unlock Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with dynamic eye function allowing you to optimize the feel of the car when on the move. Plenty of functions are also on offer, the likes of a rear view camera offering wide-angle lens and front rear sensors, and the lowest screen operates your heated and ventilated front seats, both with a 3-state setting, as well as easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is also on offer. A fully selectable all-wheel drive system was available, along with a digital rear view camera to give you maximum visibility, whilst overhead easy controls for the electric sunshade blind and the sliding sunroof can also be found. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.